Good morning, traders. It is Monday, 16th of February, which means another markup Monday. I hope you all had a good weekend and a nice Valentine. But let's get back on the charts again and let's get started with marking up our Nasdaq chart. Let's see. We still have some key levels here on the chart. I see this volume spike from the 6th of February missed on Friday, so that means that we got some liquidity here below. We do have another spike here from the 3rd of February. Price is far away, but it's still on the chart. And as you can see, there are quite some spikes just below it. And I mark them up as equal highs. So definitely liquidity here below this level. Also a spike here, quite outstanding spike from last week on the 11th. Still marked up, not mitigated, and price missed it the next day. Also a volume spike here, very strong. You see that price has been hanging around here and then made that massive drop. So that's definitely a really nice key level to keep an eye on. But what do we have from last Friday? Already have my dynamic levels indicator on to see if there are any significant spikes, and I'm just gonna put it off because then you can see it a little bit better, because it's kind of spiky here, but I do know that price has been already here during the opening. So let's put this off, and then I can see that this spike is standing out, which is interesting because price didn't mitigate it. It just missed it this morning. That's a good level to keep an eye on from Friday. I do see some activity right here. It didn't align with the indicator. Honestly, I would mark up this level here because it's right in the middle of this range. And this range, these are all 15-minute candles, so this is roughly 2 hours. And then made that drop, which means lots of volume, and definitely could be like a level where price could react as a magnet. So I'm keeping it on. Let's see if I missed anything. No, looks good. Got this spike here, keeping an eye on this one right there. So only volume spikes. No POCs, they're all mitigated already. That's fine. Let's go to S&P. Looks a bit like the same movement as on Nasdaq, just a bit calmer. So let's put the indicator on and see which level we can mark up. If I'm starting here at the top, it's the same as on Nasdaq. Had this level, missed the next day, and then another level right there, where price has been hanging around here for, wow, since 6:15 until, wow, more than 10 hours has been hanging around here and then made the drop. That's definitely a magnetic level. POC already mitigated. Let's see what we have from last Friday. POC also mitigated, but I do see the spike just below here. So I am marking up this level. And same as on Nasdaq. Right here. Maybe you don't see the dynamic levels indicated there, but I do see that price has been hanging around here for quite some time and then made that drop. So those two levels are definitely from last Friday to have on the chart. And then nothing here, and then here, and then this one. Okay, last one. Let's go to gold. Okay, we still have some key levels on the chart, but from quite some days ago, 30th of January. I'll just put that right there. Spike here. Let's zoom in on the last days, Thursday and Friday. As far as I can see, this POC is not mitigated. Definitely marking up that strong level. Was missed on the next day. We have some spikes here, but it's already mitigated the next day. Spike here, mitigated this morning during Asian session. And the POC from last Friday is also mitigated. Look at the openings price. See this candle right there? It wicked above the high of last Friday and mitigated as well the POC. Which is nice because it means that we have some liquidity here just below the POC level from last Thursday, which is interesting. Not a lot of levels to mark up, but there were still some levels on the chart anyway. Got hit 2 levels from the 30th of Jan. Missed last week. Then we got the POC from last Thursday. Nothing from Friday, since it's already mitigated during Asian session. And this spike, way lower, from the 6th of February. I'm gonna put the screenshots in the chart, and if you got any questions about the markups, do let me know down below in the comments, and otherwise I'll see you in the Discord server. Have a good trading week.